Hi, this is Skinner, and tonight I'm going to review a Bluetooth communicator, UClear HBC230D dual pack. This is the innovative headset or Bluetooth headset or communicator for bicycle riders. I actually sought some kind of Bluetooth headset to be used in summer on my bicycle helmet and in winter on my ski helmet, to allow me to accept phone calls, to hear the music, and what is the most important, to communicate with my fellow riders without the regular radio, which is the simplex radio and requires pressing a PTT button every time I want to speak. I compared a number of Bluetooth communicators online from Cardo systems called Scala Rider, from Sina, and some no-name Bluetooth communicators. And some time ago I found the new product from UClear. This is the, so far as I understand, this is the pretty new brand, and they entered this market with the motorbike helmet communicators, and recently they expanded their product line to the bicycle helmet communicators, and also to the ski helmet communicators. I've ordered and recently received the 2030 model, which is primarily intended for bicycle ski helmets. What is good here? This product is specially intended for bicycle helmets. The selling point, the main selling point of UClear is that their communicators are boomless, so they don't have a microphone placed on a flexible boom in front of your mouth, because they have microphones embedded into the speaker devices. The technology behind this is that the microphones form some kind of a cone or a beam in which the voice is captured, and the digital signal processor in the headset unit filters the speakers, the user's voice, from the surround noises, and allows to transmit only the speaker's voice. This allows to avoid transmission of noises, of surrounding noises, along with the speaker's voice. Let's go further. The package. This is the pretty solid and pretty nice package, in which there is the box, pretty sturdy, pretty nice. What do we have in here? I have to note that I ordered the dual pack, consisting of two headsets. I will demonstrate initially only one, because another one is already mounted on the helmet, and I will revert to this later. This box, here is the device itself. It's very lightweight. despite it looks pretty large, it's very lightweight. It weighs only 31 grams. The device has the only jack. This is the mini USB jack used for charging and for connection of headset units. 3 buttons. The main button used for switching it on and off, and for picking up or ending the phone calls, and also for playing or pausing or stopping the music when you use the music stream. 2 volume buttons also used for changing the volume and also for connection or for pairing of the unit with other units. Also in this box there was the headset unit intended to be mounted on the bicycle helmet. This is the connection jack, the mini USB jack, wiring, and the microphone and speaker combo modules, left one and right one. On this model you have a sound channel, so the speaker itself is in here and it transmits voice on this sound channel to the speaker. Also in this model you will see the microphone that forms that beam or cone capturing the speaker's voice, and I may assume that it's another array of microphones hearing the surrounding voice to filter it from the speaker's voice. The right ear unit is absolutely the same. The speakers are mounted on the Velcro using these Velcro pads, these sticky Velcro pads that are attached to the ski helmet for a non-permanent attachment of the units. The wiring is not equal length, and it looks like it is intended to be mounted on the left side of the helmet. Also, there is in the box, you may find in the box the pretty concise manual. 2 USB to mini USB cables, a charger with a regular USB port. The stock charger has a 1 amp output, and you can easily use any USB charger that you have at home. The helmet mount on the elastic strap plus Velcro plus this buckle. This unit is used to mount for a non-permanent mount of the main device on the helmet. Bicycle helmets also usually have a number of holes or vents, and you can use these vents to mount the device. After this strap is attached to the helmet, you just clamp the device on this mount. The mount is pretty solid. Also, there are 2 sets of sticky Velcro pads for mounting the wiring on the helmet. Plus, these sets consist of permanent mounts on the dual side sticky pad, where that you can use to mount this clamp on the helmet permanently. Also, the box consists of 2 packs of spare parts, each for every headset unit out of this dual pack. There is a spare rubber tube and some speaker tips that can be used as a replacement to the stock speakers. They are not actually speakers. There are no speakers inside of them. These are just some kind of tips of the sound channel. They are empty. And I tried all of them and found out that the regular tips transfer the voice or the sound in the best way. The sound is the loudest when you use the regular tips. These are pretty these tips transmit sound not very good. In this set of spare parts you may find also the very nice clamps that are used for mounting the sound channels, sound tubes on the helmet, on the straps of the helmet. I will show them mounted on the helmet later. So this is what we have in the box. Now let's look at the bicycle helmet where the device is mounted. This is the more or less regular gyro bicycle helmet. I used the elastic strap to mount the device, and I've already placed it and turned it on. The headset unit is plugged in here. I have to note that this jack has the isolation rubber bands on it, and it provides the more or less waterproof connection. So the device, the assembled device, as claimed by the manufacturer, doesn't afraid of the rain. So this is the Velcro pad sticked on the helmet, and this the Velcro mount where I put on the combo speaker. And what I promised to show you, this is the clamp mounted on the strap, on which you just jam or mount the sound channel, so that the speaker tip would be placed right nearby your ear. This is how it is mounted. Very smart and very neat solution that allowed to place the speaker devices on the helmet with open ears. I have to remind that initially this system was intended for the fully enclosed motorbike helmets. Okay, in addition to the bicycle helmet, I've also purchased the spare set for mounting this device, mounting this headset on the ski helmet. Ski helmets are slightly different, and the set consists of some very important parts to mount this headset, this communicator on the ski helmet. You also have the USB cable, mini USB cable, another permanent clamp, The most important part, which is also used on the motorbike helmets, the headset. As you can see, they are pretty large speakerphones. They are marked left and right, and you can see also that the microphones, also boomless microphones, are mounted inside the speaker case. So these entire devices are covered with hook velcro, and it can be attached directly to the ear cups of the ski helmet, and also to be connected with the same jack, isolated jack, to the main unit. This set also includes the clamp that can be attached to the goggle strap, and another clamp that can be attached to the straps, to the main straps of the ski helmet. I will show it to you later in the assembled state. Also, this set includes a couple of ear cup inserts. In case if the ear cups of your ski helmet don't have any soft parts where you can attach, you can velcro the speakers, you can insert into the ear cups these velcro stencils where you can attach the speaker. They are not perforated, and please be ready to lose a number of your ambient sound, since your ear cups will be covered with these stencils. This is how the system looks mounted on the more or less regular on my Blizzard helmet. This is the mount, non-permanent mount, that I use to attach the main unit on the helmet. I don't like permanent mounts, and that's why I didn't stick any of them on the helmet and used these Velcro mount. I attach the main unit here, and here are the ear cups. They are soft, and I easily velcroed the speakers directly on them. I weaved the wiring here, attached another speaker, and after that I just connect the headset to the main unit. Here how it looks assembled. The main unit protrudes a little bit, but it doesn't really bulky, and it also doesn't interfere with my goggle straps, allowing to use my goggles easily, and also to operate the main unit. On the other side, I will have my action camera mounted, so it will look more or less balanced in terms of weight distribution. This is how it looks. I've tried briefly to use the units on my phone calls, on streaming the music through them. They are pretty loud, and people to which I communicated over the phone noted that the sound is pretty crisp and clear and loud. They hear me very well. At the same time, they've noticed some kind of phone noise or background electronic noise that they hear along with my voice. Probably this is the feature of the digital sound processing I don't have any other explanation of this. In the manual, you may see that these speaker units are advised to be placed in this way, horizontally. It looked to me pretty strange because the microphone hole looks directly to my skull instead of my mouth. I tried to speak with people when the speaker and microphone was directed as in the manual or as I mounted them. There was no pretty much difference. That's why I may assume that the voice capturing beam is pretty wide. Again, I'm very much impressed with this mounting solution, and in my next publication I will try the way how can I intercom with another device, and I will test the range on which I can intercom with another device. Looks like that's it for now. The first impressions are very good, and this product definitely worth its money, and I hope I will enjoy it in the future. Thanks.